A great satisfaction comes from sharing with others. Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. First of all, thanks a million for subscribing my channel and liking the videos. It gives me immense pleasure and great satisfaction when I see the responses coming from your side. During my school time, I was told that air is needed for burning. And I still remember this because it was shown by a small experiment to prove that statement. A few days back, while working in the kitchen, I was heating oil in a pan. The quantity of oil was small and the flame was high, that somehow pan caught fire. I quickly turned off the knob and covered the pan with a lid. And within a few seconds, the fire was put off. I could do that because of that experiment shown to us in our classroom. That experiment helped me to take a quick decision during that critical situation. If I had not covered that pan with a lid, something bad would have happened. There is a reason behind sharing it. A couple of days back, I read an article about some unethical ways being used by small children during their online examinations. Have you ever thought why children are doing this? Is it really beneficial for their life or not? Why are students inclined to adopt these unethical ways just to score few marks? Okay, tell me one thing, what would you like to become in your life? Chatur Silencer or Rancho of Three Idiots? Chatur Silencer who always used to mug up the things without understanding the concepts, whereas Rancho who always believed in gaining knowledge with his own experience and sharing with others. So what is valuable for you? Knowledge or marks? Think on it and start typing and write in the comment section below. Keep watching, stay tuned. Must have noticed students usually discuss about their marks after each exams, and sometimes they become sad and take wrong actions just because of the fear of getting less marks. This is maybe because of the competitive environment around them. See, competition is everywhere. It is in studies, it is in sports, job, in all the activities of mankind, isn't it? See, I have something to show you. In my one hand, I have a slice of pizza, and in my other hand, I have a glass of juice. What would you like to have? See, if you consume pizza on everyday basis, of course, being an unhealthy food, you will have unhealthy lifestyle. An unhealthy lifestyle leads to a short-term happiness. And on the other hand, if you consume this glass of juice every day, of course, you will have healthy lifestyle, which leads to a long-term happiness. Why am I sharing this with you? If you run blindly behind marks without knowing and understanding the core meaning of topics, then of course your primary focus is on mugging up the things. Then you will become silencer of three idiots. Of course it will give happiness to you, but that happiness will be short term, just like the slice of pizza. If you are not able to apply the information in your life, then that means your education is useless. So you have to understand this, that knowledge is pillar of our life, and if our pillars are not strong, then you will not be able to enjoy it. So get your concepts clear. See, the prime motive of education is to gain knowledge, and knowledge is never ending. If you have knowledge about the things, you will automatically score good marks. But using unethical ways and mugging up the things is not a solution. You will of course get marks out of it, but that will be a short-term happiness for you. I know marks are also important because our so-called education system judges students on the basis of marks. But do you really think that marks are more important than knowledge? What I want to convey is that marks alone don't show the ability and talent of a student. Even student with less marks can be more talented. Look around yourself. You will find numerous people who had less marks in their school time and the college life, but still working in a reputed organization on a respectable position. Now these days, every person is struggling. Every person is struggling to normalize the things. Along with students teachers, parents are facing online teaching and learning challenges. Hats off to them for coping up with each other. Always remember, you reap what you sow. That means you get what you deserve. So let's learn the joy of learning. Every subject has its own charm and beauty. And if you take this charm and beauty of all the subjects, I'm sure you will definitely pass all the examination with flying colors, leaving behind the marks. Enjoy the technology. It is for you to make you strong. Use different resources to gain knowledge and share it with others. Remember, knowledge is pillar of our life. It is power. Knowledge is powerful and this power makes you strong. So be focused on knowledge and make a beautiful life.